We have a good trading strategy here by using the chop zone to find a spot for a trend. With the chop zone indicator, we can follow its designated path, or we can opt for a reversal. Another trick is by utilizing the candlestick pattern, whether the trend will be going up or down. We have found good and reliable trading results in our previous trades. Be careful when using this trading strategy. It requires patience and discipline to succeed. We also experienced losing trades with this method. It's not always that we can win, but with our technique, we will lessen the losses and achieve positive trading results. I will show you where to spot trending trades and reversing spots. This method requires patience and discipline to work effectively. We have our trend going up here. It creates colored bars intended for a reversal or a continuous uptrend. It creates a green bar suggesting that the trend will go higher in the next few minutes. It's better to trade higher on this as our candlestick creates a reversing candle. In this situation, there is a sequence of trend reversals whenever our chop zones determine the choppy and trendy markets. Just look for good trends and a reliable chop zone chart to trade with. You can also add additional indicators for stronger filtering of market movements. We use the high or low period of 35, then a moving average period of 35. With a 10 seconds candle time period. This settings is best when trading with quick time duration, especially for 1-minute trading. Got our trading result? Let's find another spot to trade. Another good spot to trade lower here. It creates tons of red bars, indicating that the trend strength is decreasing. We've got waves of ups and downs here, and we will spot the next reversal that is deliverable for our 10-second candle. An orange bar is created, a good indication of a downtrend, with our candle bar creating a reversing state. Let's trade lower on this. See the rest of the video and it might be complex or seems difficult for new traders out there. Keep in mind that the chop zone identifies the choppiness or the noise of the trend. Good trading result. It is on its uptrend state while we have our chop zone here creating a reversal. Generates an orange bar indicating a down signal. Let's trade going down on this. Another instance here, if there is no reversal bar or colored bars appear. With these false alarm trend without confirmation, it is best to trade going higher. We will follow the blue colored bars for a strong uptrend. Got lose on that one.